think we ask a lot out of you. So I think today is the day that you pick a ticket. I think you pick a ticket.
I feel like we have no animals all of a sudden.
I know. The rats were always good for it. Baxter, pick a ticket. Oh, you little snot.
He's out. He says, ha! Okay.
Baxter. Baxter. Get over here and quit marking your territory. We all know you live here. Yeah, yell at him, Mags. Baxter Bunny Rabbit. Baxter. Come on. Baxter. What's that? What's that? Baxter. Oh, Baxter Bunny Rabbit. Get one. Whoops. Pick one of those out. Okay, what if I dump them? You go away. Alrighty, fine. This is why we don't do the raffle during the busy season. Because who's got time for this? Huh? Who's got time for this, Baxter? How many times have we tried this morning? Come on, you can do this. You've done it other years. You have. You've done it other years. Oh, such an old man. You're such an old man. Get that. Get that. Baxter Bunny Rabbit. What's that? Do it. Do it. Do it. Stop ignoring me. I will not be ignored. Einstein. What's that? Oh, what's that? What is that? Einstein. That's right. Einstein, what's that? What is this? What is this? Want to take one? They're all bunched together. Let me get one. A group that's not. Okay. Let me get. Here, Einstein. Einstein. Oh, come back here. Come back here. Where are you going? Come back here. Einstein, you have work to do. Hey, hey. Do it. Come on. Come on, baby up. Do it. Pick one up. Pick one up. You can shred it. Oh, you tripped. Okay. Yeah. Get one. Get one. Get one. He had that one in his mouth. We're gonna go with
We're gonna go with it?
because he had that one in his mouth.
Number 47. Today's number is number 47. Good job, Betty Bob. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You did it. It was a brief moment, but you had it in your mouth. I'm taking it.